The Suzuki Boulevard S40 Savage has long been celebrated as a lightweight cruiser that combines classic styling with modern reliability, and the addition of the Ryca CS.1 kit takes this experience to an entirely new level. On the exterior, the S40 maintains its minimalist, stripped-down cruiser look, with a single low-slung seat, teardrop fuel tank, and clean lines that emphasize its retro charm. The Ryca CS.1 kit transforms this aesthetic with a more aggressive stance, a custom tail section, and a reworked front fender that gives the bike a slightly sportier and more personalized appeal. The kit also introduces a host of small design tweaks like custom side panels, a repositioned rear fender, and subtle detailing around the exhaust area that make the bike stand out without losing its original character. Technologically, the Suzuki S40 remains straightforward but dependable. The 652cc single-cylinder engine is air-cooled and delivers a smooth, linear power curve, making it perfect for city cruising and relaxed highway rides. With the Ryca CS.1 kit, the exhaust system is often upgraded to enhance both performance and sound, giving the engine a deeper, more commanding note without compromising rideability. The suspension setup remains comfortable, but the kit can include minor modifications like rear shocks or fork adjustments to improve stability and handling, ensuring that the bike feels planted even on tighter curves. Brake performance stays reliable with the single front disc and rear drum brake, but enthusiasts often take advantage of the kit to upgrade pads or levers for better responsiveness. Inside, the Suzuki Boulevard S40 offers a no-frills riding position with a solo seat, mid-mounted foot pegs, and a relaxed handlebar setup that makes long rides comfortable. The Ryca CS.1 kit often replaces the seat with a sleeker, lower-profile design and may reposition the foot pegs slightly, giving the rider a more engaging posture while maintaining comfort. Instrumentation is minimal, usually consisting of a speedometer, odometer, and indicator lights, but the Ryca kit can allow for optional customization like LED indicators or a smaller digital module that blends seamlessly with the retro look. The bike's compact nature means that every ride feels intimate and connected, enhancing the overall cruising experience. Performance-wise, the S40 is not about blistering speed but controlled, enjoyable riding. It produces a manageable 30 horsepower, which, when paired with the lightweight frame and the Ryca CS.1 enhancements, feels lively and responsive. The single-cylinder engine is known for its durability and simplicity, making maintenance straightforward and inexpensive. The Ryca kit can also include modifications to the intake and exhaust, which slightly increase throttle response and improve the overall sound profile, giving the bike a more muscular feel without turning it into an outright performance machine. Acceleration is smooth, and the bike's low weight ensures nimble maneuvering through city streets and easy handling at low speeds. Pricing for the Suzuki Boulevard S40 with the Ryca CS.1 kit varies depending on the level of customization, but it generally offers excellent value for those looking to own a unique, personalized cruiser without breaking the bank. The base S40 is already competitively priced in the cruiser segment, and the Ryca CS.1 kit adds visual flair and minor performance tweaks without pushing the price into premium territory. Hidden features in this setup include improved ergonomics for taller riders, subtle storage options under the seat, and upgraded foot controls that make the bike slightly more versatile than the stock model. Additionally, the bike's low maintenance requirements and dependable engineering mean that owners can focus on riding and customizing rather than frequent repairs. Overall, the Suzuki Boulevard S40 Savage with the Ryca CS.1 kit offers a compelling combination of classic cruiser charm, lightweight handling, and custom aesthetics. It remains approachable for new riders while offering enough personality and upgrades to satisfy enthusiasts who enjoy tweaking their bikes. Whether cruising along city streets or enjoying longer weekend rides, the bike delivers a comfortable, stylish, and distinct riding experience. The Ryca CS.1 kit adds a touch of individuality and modern flair while respecting the original design philosophy, making this modified S40 a standout in its class. It's a bike that merges nostalgia with creativity, performance with simplicity, and fun with reliability, appealing to anyone who appreciates the art of customizing a classic cruiser. If you want, I can also draft a catchy YouTube title, description, and hashtags tailored for this Suzuki Boulevard S40 Savage with Ryca CS.1 kit video to maximize reach and engagement. Do you want me to do that next?